Hi, Lynn. Lynn, good evening. Lynn, good evening, Lynn. Hello, Lynn. Lynn,
Okay.
how are you?
Thank you.
Okay. Lynn, okay, your mom's told me that we need to have 5 classes in a week because you are already in high school, secondary.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she told me we really needed to have 5 classes. She requested me to have 5 classes. And then, did you read my text?
Yes.
Okay, did you read my text? We have
Yes.
class on. Is it okay for you to schedule in?
Uh,
Okay, wait ha. Okay, it is Wednesday 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Friday 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. in Friday. You choose. And Sunday 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. Is that okay? Lynn?
um, that.
Yeah, the one I sent you.
Yes. I have
Uh,
read.
yeah. Is it okay Friday 6 p.m. or 7 p.m.? Your choice. You pick.
Uh, I think that yes. Okay.
Okay, 7 p.m. or okay, 6 p.m.?
Um.
Okay, just tell me later, okay?
Okay.
Yes, okay. For tonight, wait, Milan, ha? What happened with my mouse, Lynn? My mouse isn't working properly, Lynn. So I will share to you the screen now. How are you, Lynn? Lynn, by the way, Lynn, what year are you now?
Yes. I'm
You are in
grade 9.
grade 9. Oh my God. The same. You are the same grade with Jillian. Jillian is in grade 9 or class 9.
Okay.
Yeah, in class 9 too. She has a lot of projects and things to do like you. Okay. But here in my country, Lynn, it's if you enroll in the private schools, okay, most likely you are good in English already. So most likely you speak English, they know already how to write English, like they're very good already in English. So yeah, I will show you the Cubism project of Jillian. This one. Then this is her project,
Oh.
Cubism.
Wow. She drew so beautiful.
Yeah, it's Anne Hathaway. Anne Hathaway. Okay, so Lynn. Okay, so I will share to you now, Lynn, the human body. Okay, we have here. Okay, so we have here. So look at the photo. Which fitness class would you prefer to do? Okay, look at the photo. Which fitness class would you prefer to do?
I prefer. I prefer picture A.
A, this one. What do you think? Picture A is trying
And
to emphasize in the picture.
maybe yoga.
Yoga? Are you sure it's yoga?
Um,
Are you sure it's yoga?
or like have abs
Or
exercise.
is it exercise? It's done exercise?
Yes, maybe.
Yeah, okay. So have you seen in your place? people like this are doing?
Yes.
Okay, so you've seen that one. So how did you feel about that?
I
It
like
is?
that is
Uh,
enjoyable.
okay, it's enjoyable. Okay, very nice. Okay, so here, so we have here identifying people in the photo, the man and the woman, the girl, wearing like this. So we have here, so and these are the descriptions. Okay, so you have to tell wearing top, wearing casual, okay, like that. Okay. These phrases are for detailed comments. So when you try to speak up like this, it means you are giving detailed. What do you mean by the word detailed, Lynn? So when you mention the word detailed, what is detailed for you? What is detailed? What do you mean by detailed for you?
Um, what, teacher?
What do you mean by detailed? What is detailed? What do you mean by the word detailed? What is detailed for you?
Um,
What is detailed for you? What do you mean by the word detailed? When I speak up, when you speak up detailed, what is detailed? What do you mean by detailed? Detailed is?
I don't know.
Detailed, it means complete. Like example, the man is wearing a shirt, a yellow t-shirt, a purple leggings, a red top, casual. This is a casual clothes. Okay, so you are trying to describe what the person, it could be a man or the woman, is wearing. Complete. That is what we call detailed. Okay, remember that one. Okay, we have vocabulary here. Okay. So vocabulary with human. Okay, it's hair. Oh, it is
Bob.
Bob. Okay. And this one is
Fringe.
French. Okay, this style is French. So what do you think is your hair? Okay, teacher Anne is Bob. My hair is short, shorter than before because I tried to cut my hair already. This one is
Parting.
parting. Oh, and I sorry. And dreadlock.
Dreadlocks.
Okay, so many things that she put on her hair. And this one,
Plait.
plait. We also call this as braid. Okay, braid. This one.
Plait.
Plait. This one is braid. Braid hair. This one is?
Spiky.
Okay, it's spiky. My God. Okay, I don't know if there's people or guy who really love spiky hair. Okay, who likes spiky hair? Okay. Next, of course, is
Bald.
bald. Okay. So it means it doesn't have hair. It's bald. Okay. It's bald. It doesn't have hair. Okay. Okay. Next is
receding,
receding. Okay, we have receding. Okay, again, Bob, French. This parting, parting. Okay, parting maybe because you have to part, you have to cut it, okay, or divide it into half, this one, and then move it here. Dreadlocks, we have plait,
Plait.
spiky,
Spiky.
and bald.
Bald.
And of course,
receding,
receding. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, another vocabulary. Oh, look at this. Look at this one. We have the
Beard.
beard. Look at this. Do you have any member of your family that has beard, Lynn?
My
Your dad. Your dad?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay. So, by the way, Lynn, your house and Potato's house is far from each other?
Yes.
Like how far?
Like we have to drive from our house to Potato House about like half an hour.
Oh, quite far. Like
Yes.
they are in different province. I mean, in different place.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have here. Next is
Goatee.
goatee. Okay, so this is beard, all of this, and this is goatee. Okay, that one, Jeff, yours is goatee. Jeff, yours is goatee. And this one is
Mustache.
mustache. Okay, again,
Mustache.
mustache, and this is goatee. Goatee is only here, and mustache is only here. The beard is only all of this one. Okay, another we have the
Sideburn.
sideburn. Okay, the sideburn. Okay, look at this. There's a hair in this side. It's sideburn. Another we have
Stubble.
stubble. Oh, what's this? Ah, stubble, this one. So it is not like, yours, Jeff, is stubble, Jeff. You've got stubble. Okay, stubble is like
Stubble.
this. Okay, so it doesn't have hair, but there's this one. Okay, clean,
Clean shaven.
shaven. Okay, you shave, you put white, and you clean it out. Okay, oh my God. This is
Freckle.
prickle and
Wrinkle.
wrinkle. Okay, so do you have prickle in your face, Lynn? Or you have freckle, or do you have what do you call that one in the face? Do you have like this? Freckle or pimples? Do you have pimples? Okay, wow, that's good. At least you don't have freckles or pimples. Okay. Okay, now look up here. Using wait me. Describe the people in the photo using A to C, using as many of the word and phrases below as possible. Okay? You write your answer, Lynn, in the chat box. And please describe the three people using the hairstyle, the hairdo, the skin. Okay? Tell me if you are done.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Go, Lynn.
Teacher and fish.
Okay, so we have here. First is letter A. So there's a mustache sidewards. Okay. There's a beard. As you can see, the face is not clean, right? And then there's a tattoo. Okay. And yeah. Okay. You can see the boy is handsome, lean, but the face is quite dirty because of the mustache. Okay. Another letter B. Look at letter B. What can you say in letter B? Dark skin. Oh, aside from dark skin, why only one? Look at the other description that you can see in the letter B.
I don't.
Okay, what can you say about letter B? Look at the hairstyle. Okay, it's like it is ponytail. Okay, you can see ponytail. Okay. Oh, where's the answer, Lynn? Okay, another, you say that, okay, it's dark skin. How about letter C? Have you seen letter C? It's a
Yes.
plots. Okay, it's plots. This one. Okay. And how about the facial? Look at the facial. It doesn't have facial hair. It doesn't have, it's clean shaven. Like there's no mustache or anything. Skin, light skin. But you can see there's a, look at the face. You can see that there's a freckles. Okay, you can see the freckles. Okay, look at that one. There's a freckle, white skin, because mostly European girls, they have freckles, Lean. Okay, they usually have freckles. That's common for them. Okay. Now look at letter A. He has thick black hair, a beard, and a mustache. He also has tattoo on his arm. Correct. Letter B. She has brown hair in short ponytail. Ponytail, huh? She also has French, and her skin is quite dark. Okay. She has brown hair with two plaits and a center parting. Okay, parting center. You can see there's here parting centers. She has light skin, freckles, and rosy cheeks. But now, you read the questions 2 and 3, then look at phrases A to H. Which phrases do you think, Lynn, would be useful for each the questions? Okay, you choose, huh? Lynn, wait, I'll just go to the bathroom. Please wait me.
Teacher, can I use many or just once?
Do you think you can use many? Which phrases would be useful for each of the questions? You can use many.
Okay, okay.
Ah, bata no. Hmm. Anak mo nasubok ka. Ha? Anak mo nasubok ka. Bako ka ba? Anak mo nasubok ka? Kuan baka nang napukan na murag panglingat mo. Kuan na ka nang ismo patay. Sakit. Ang patay ni mapukan pa o. As mo na rin. Paborito lang. Paborito ni sa mga ilmano. Huwag palagi ilan ang pag-urumon. So ano? Dahil, bakit o nga? Tamang palit lubi. Anong man eh? Ano lang yun ako? Nombres ko.
Anak, awin na ng kanang artista.
Kailangan taekwondo dito. Ah, taekwondo o. Second life. Vincent? Kailangan na ako na. Taekwondo. Sino si Phil? Ha? Phil? Basta. Phil sino? Yes, click break ako. Ayun. Sayang. Me, all my friends family. Phil ni Vincent? Vincent? So, magbinis-binis. No? Kung may nag-i-api lang ang hindi. Oh, sige. So, mag-taekwondo. Sa tao. Dapat puto-pulit pa ako na ano, lahat ang mga upapag ay magtalasa at mga isuon na kahit Ako na nagkahang walang katupay, nagsindi o kao, pero ilan rin ilang lagi sa ko, maagi nga po taas, sa abong palay, pangulaw ka kung gawas, naghanak na inom na mga tapitas, pero walang pinilipit ko sa aking lawas, pagkas sa suot na ko na amin ko, inipot ko kami puno kilos, palay so, na at pag-iisang mga pardak, nagkaalas ng sipagkakasok, ang taasa, sunod iyang isulbi, at tulong kinagbulat sa alas kasi masa akong palay di walang isang kanyang as ulang pagkat di matutos lagay magkaalas sulit di lang sulong so sa ikapan sa lagay lang kapag di ay kung saan
Okay. So you have here, do you think men care as much about their appearance as women? Why do you think that? Okay, so if the men, women, wait, Milin ha. Okay. Okay. So like when you say, do you think men care as much about their appearance as women? Okay, so women is very careful and very cautious about their appearance. Like they want to make their face clean, they want to cut their hair, like that. So why do you think that men, okay, do you think men care as much about their appearance as women? You answer, as I see? Okay, letter B. As I see it, what is your response? Okay, you tell me. Why do you think that? Why do you think that, Lynn?
My view is that no.
Okay, I remember.
I remember once when I have to
I remember once when
I what mean of occasion?
okay, occasion like okay, here first pa. Do you think occasion it means like birthday? Okay, like there is a celebration like wedding. Okay, that's occasion. Okay, so here first, do you think men care as much about their appearance as women? Why do you think that? Your answer, you choose B. And you choose my view is that. Okay, please continue your sentence. My view is that. What is it, Lynn? Okay, go Lynn, one more. One only. My view is that men are not thinking. Okay, go.
I'm not thinking or think when men care as much as
Okay, so men, your view is that men are not thinking much about their appearance than women. Okay, number two. Talking about an occasion when you wanted to look best. What is that occasion?
Um, oh, I want to. Uh, I
Okay.
like when I go. I plan to go out with my friend.
Mm-hmm.
I want to look my best.
Okay. So tell me about what occasions when you wanted to look best. What occasion? Is it birthday, your birthday? Is it
Yes.
party? Is it graduations? Or is wedding of the family or anniversary of your parents? What
It's
occasions? It's your,
my party.
okay, your own party like birthday. Okay, listen to the two students describing the photo in task 1. Which student do you think, Lynn, followed the strategy better? Okay,
Lesson 3G, Exercises 2 and 4. Student 1.
This photo shows a group of women doing some exercise. It looks like some kind of dance class. They're in a park, or maybe in the countryside. It's most likely in the evening because the shadows are long. The women with black leggings and stripy tops are leading the class, I think. It looks like the others are copying them. The woman in the stripy dress, in the middle of the photo, has stopped dancing. I'd say that she's tired. Personally, I'd find this class quite difficult, I think. But I'd love to try it. It looks fun.
Student 2.
In this photo, I can see some people doing exercises in a gym. I think it's a fitness class of some kind. They're in a large room with a rope near the wall. Next to the rope, two women are doing push-ups. Behind them, there's a sort of climbing frame. Two men are doing pull-ups or something like that. The woman in the black vest top isn't doing any exercise. She's the instructor, I would say. She looks very fit.
okay, again.
Lesson 3G, Exercises 2 and 4. Student 1.
This photo shows a group of women doing some exercise. It looks like some kind of dance class. They're in a park, or maybe in the countryside. It's most likely in the evening because the shadows are long. The women with black leggings and stripy tops are leading the class, I think. It looks like the others are copying them. The woman in the stripy dress, in the middle of the photo, has stopped dancing. I'd say that she's tired. Personally, I'd find this class quite difficult, I think. But I'd love to try it. It looks fun.
Student 2.
In this photo, I can see some people doing exercises in a gym. I think it's a fitness class of some kind. They're in a large room with a rope near the wall. Next to the rope, two women are doing push-ups. Behind them, there's a sort of climbing frame. Two men are doing pull-ups or something like that. The woman in the black vest top isn't doing any exercise. She's the instructor, I would say. She looks very fit.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, one more.
Lesson 3G, Exercises 2 and 4. Student 1.
This photo shows a group of women doing some exercise. It looks like some kind of dance class. They're in a park, or maybe in the countryside. It's most likely in the evening because the shadows are long. The women with black leggings and stripy tops are leading the class, I think. It looks like the others are copying them. The woman in the stripy dress, in the middle of the photo, has stopped dancing. I'd say that she's tired. Personally, I'd find this class quite difficult, I think. But I'd love to try it. It looks fun.
Student 2.
In this photo, I can see some people doing exercises in a gym. I think it's a fitness class of some kind. They're in a large room with a rope near the wall. Next to the rope, 2 women are doing push-ups. Behind them, there's a sort of climbing frame. 2 men are doing pull-ups or something like that. The woman in the black vest top isn't doing any exercise. She's the instructor, I would say. She looks very fit.
Teacher, I can't hear anything.
Okay, it's hard.
No, I cannot hear anything.
You cannot hear anything? Okay, wait me, huh? Okay, so this one, please try to hear it.
Lesson 3G. Exercises 2 and 4. Student 1.
This photo shows a group of women doing some exercise. It looks like some kind of dance class. They're in a park, or maybe in the countryside. It's most likely in the evening because the shadows are long. The women with black leggings and stripy tops are leading the class, I think. It looks like the others are copying them. The woman in the stripy dress, in the middle of the photo, has stopped dancing. I'd say that she's tired. Personally, I'd find this class quite difficult, I think. But I'd love to try it. It looks fun.
Student 2.
In this photo, I can see some people doing exercises in a gym. I think it's a fitness class of some kind. They're in a large room with a rope near the wall. Next to the rope, 2 women are doing push-ups. Behind them, there's a sort of climbing frame. 2 men are doing pull-ups or something like that. The woman in the black vest top isn't doing any exercise. She's the instructor, I would say. She looks very fit.
I think the student follow the trajectory better is student say in picture B.
Picture B, okay. So the one that followed the strategy better is in letters picture B. As you can see, if you look at the pictures, they are having the same pattern and how they exercise, right? So the 2 men and this one and the 2 women here. So it seems that they're following instruction so well. Unlike in here, if you can see this one, it's quite messy. Others are not following instruction. Look at them, they're standing only. They're not dancing properly. Okay? So, Lynn, thank you so much for today. By the way, Lynn, we still have another class at 9 p.m.
Teacher, I have said to my mother, and she said that three class in a week is okay.
Okay,
So,
okay.
yes,
Okay.
need to have 3 class.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, thank you, Lynn. Bye-bye.
Teacher, good night. Have a
Good
good night.
night.